Alright guys, so we're off to Bootlegger Harley Davidson. Guys need a couple things for their bikes, and we're going to try to wash them because all the bikes are absolutely filthy. We'll see you there. Guys, we're here at Bootlegger Harley Davidson. First time here, obviously, first time in Tennessee. Beautiful dealership, really big. It is baking over here. But anyway, we're gonna go inside. A couple fellas need a couple things. We're gonna go inside and see if we could hopefully maybe wash the bikes here. So yeah, that'd be great because they're all super filthy. We went through a bunch of rainstorms and they're just super dirty. So let's head on inside and see what they got going on, and hopefully we could wash them. And actually, Toll and Robert Simmons are coming by here in about an hour and a half. So yeah, we'll see you in a few minutes.
For a second
Simmons.
Sir.
You're on YouTube.
Listen. Where'd you disappear to? I told him to check. I said you were probably sleepwalking somewhere.
I gotta make a.
Okay.
How you doing, brother? How you doing?
I'm blessed, man. A pleasure to meet all of you guys. I feel like I know you.
So happy to meet you.
I know you guys.
Finally, meet you. See the bike. Beautiful machine.
You roll down here with people that are not subscribed to my channel. You gotta tighten people up.
What? Are you kidding me? Oh, jeez.
And he's starting the channel. Though. I gave him a coin.
Hey, he's new. He didn't even know what YouTube was until yesterday.
He's starting the channel, man.
Robert Simmons paying it forward.
In the building.
On YouTube.
In the building. I already gave it away.
And who's this tall guy?
Hey, hello, man.
How are you?
Good. Hey.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to
Finally.
meet you too. You see how,
Pleasure. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
How you been? It was very, very wet, dry.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, I see Silverback over here looking good, man.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah.
Where's yours? Where's the monster?
It's at the house.
You got the Jeep. Yeah, I see the Jeep.
Yeah, he thought this was the Jeep dealership. I said Harley Davidson.
Hey, the Jeep's nice too. Jeep's nice too.
About 15 minutes away. What y'all gonna do tonight?
Did you hear what he just said? Did you hear what he just said?
I was trying to find the one you always wear, the Nike one.
Hey, make sure you put those cones nice and tight.
Wants to know where we want to go to dinner.
Listen, this is your neck of the woods. This is your neck of the woods.
So what y'all want to eat? You gotta let me know what you want to eat, then we can figure it out from there.
How about some good old-fashioned barbecue? No?
I don't know, Tony. What's some good old fashioned? Are we live now? Are we live on?
Yeah, it's good.
Good old fashioned barbecue.
I'd probably go to Calhoun's.
I got some new ones.
You can go to Okay, we can go to Calhoun's on the river. We can go to Calhoun's on the river. No, we'll go to the one downtown on the river.
Oh, cool.
So,
Traffic? A lot of traffic? No?
this is Knoxville. This right here, about another 30 minutes, you won't have any traffic. Just a little bit of rush hour right now.
All right.
Rush hour is literally from 4:45 to like 5:50.
Anything closer?
It won't take long to get there.
Really?
It'll literally take you probably about 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And we've got food trucks over at Knoxville Harley Davidson and a bike night tonight.
What time's the bike night?
Starts at 6.
Starts at 6. What time's it end?
Oh, you took the big one?
8:30.
Yeah.
It's not long.
Okay.
It's not long at all.
All right.
All right, we'll figure it out.
We have 2 dealerships here.
Okay.
So and we have bigger concerts and our sister store.
It's all.
It's been there since
How big?
1968. They have some bike night local bands.
Nice.
When it comes to the stickers. Are we going to have a repeat?
Listen.
All right, you already
My
answered.
stickers are the appropriate size. You got billboards right
That's what every man,
Who's gonna put that on it?
that's what every inadequate
Billboard.
man
Hold on
says.
just a second.
He
Hold
says
on,
mine
I'm
is
just
the
gonna say,
appropriate
John,
size.
You got that nice
Billboard.
glide over there, all these nice bikes. Are you going to put this billboard on the side of that bike? This one right here. This one right here.
This is not for your bike?
No.
Inside a lid.
Inside the lid.
What else you going to put on
I don't even know if that'll fit inside the lid.
See?
Hold on.
3 sizes.
Oh, that's a good one right
Hey,
there.
Tal.
And my smallest one is bigger than yours.
Hold on a second. Hey, Tal, that's the appropriate size for what you're driving right now.
That's true.
Come around and get it.
No sticker going on. Not even going to happen.
Oh, man.
DOT stickers on.
But
This
these
is
are nice.
These are nice.
Hey, this guy got his game stepped
Oh,
up. for
yeah.
real.
Oh,
Check
yeah.
that out.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Got my boy Robert over here. Check him out on YouTube if you haven't already. Amazing skills on a motorcycle.
This guy's at 3%, guys. 3%. We got to get some food in them so he can go to sleep. 3%.
We're running on fumes. We
Paul
got
said he smells steak.
Tall. We're gonna be going to Calhoun's.
You know, sorry.
Wherever y'all want to eat.
Indoors, please.
All right, guys, we're gonna get some chow. We gotta get some chow. We've been riding all day, and we'll talk to you guys in a bit after we eat. All right, 45-minute wait at Calhoun, so we're going to. Tall's gonna take us up
It's not going to take long. Right?
downtown where there's a few more restaurants and maybe a quicker seating issue. So we'll see you guys up there. All right, guys. So we're in downtown Knoxville right now, looking for a restaurant and some air conditioning. Glenn's overheating over here.
Oh yeah. We have soccer tacos.
All right, so we're finally sitting down after about an hour looking for a restaurant. I got these two guys back here.
You have to ask him how many subscribers he's got, right? You know you're gonna tell you. That's Rusty right there. That's Rusty.
Rusty Bagger?
Yeah. Oh, on the motorcycle?
Yeah.
All right, so we just ate. We're walking. What's this called, Tall?
Market Square.
Market
Downtown
Square, downtown Knoxville. And I think we see Rusty Bagger.
Oh yeah, you ain't getting no sleep now.
Who, me?
No. Oh. Yeah. He's still gonna get up at 5 o'clock. It's crazy. I don't understand how people do that. Oh my God. All right, man. Cool. Really, man? I smell it.
What's up, Rusty? How you doing? How are you? Nice to meet you. Hi, John. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Miller, how's it going?
How you doing?
Hello, how you doing?
That's my friend Preach right there. And then JJ, his son.
JJ, how's it going, man?
Hey, we were just about to walk down Graffiti Alley.
Okay.
It's a ride like it. Yeah.
In the building, baby.
So you work tomorrow, right?
Yes.
So you can't go on our Friday, but you know what? We might actually swing by there. Out there sometime. Yeah. They got this thing looking good.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. Got it all grandpa lining out. I got that thing.
Really?
Rusty Bagger 24. Check him out on YouTube and Instagram.
Camelo.
Toll's going live now. Be quiet.
His YouTube channel.
The house.
Hey, and he, I got a nice hat from him too. That's nice.
Enjoy it.
And then you have John from Cycle Fanatix.
What's up, guys? What's up, everyone?
And then you have this guy right here. He duck walked his bike the whole way.
That's it. That's it. You got to show people what not to do.
Yeah, what not to do. Check out this eagle out here looking good. Right there. So anyway, guys, we're in downtown Knoxville. We can keep walking, guys.
Hey, everyone. Robert's actually really big.
John, we're walking down
He's
the
a
alley.
really big guy.
We're walking down the alley. John's gonna go first. For two reasons.
If you want backup, definitely talk to Robert. He's a big guy.
He's being humble. He's a big guy. That's why he's gonna walk first.
He's my height.
That's why he's gonna go first in the alley. And also, the white guy never gets killed first. So
And he's definitely a 200-pounder.
220.
220. There you go.
A lot of fat. I'm working on it.
All right, guys. Anyway, that's it for this video. Beautiful downtown Knoxville. Anyway, tomorrow we're gonna wake up early, have some breakfast at 9 a.m. Then we're gonna head out on our group ride, just basically the YouTubers and a couple friends. And we're gonna have a great time. And I think we're gonna do the Tail of the Dragon and a bunch of other beautiful, awesome roads. Tall has a trip planned out for us. So stay tuned for that video. That's gonna be tomorrow. Till the next one, I'll see you guys on another video on Cycle Fanatix. Peace out.